have a junk box challenge for you. And for those of you who don't know what a junk box challenge is, it is where a customer donates a box full of random junk and we take it and they challenge us to create home decor from it. So that's what we'll be doing. So thank you, Taffy, for donating all this fun stuff today. We'll go through it and we'll show you what we have and what it might become, and then we'll see as we progress. We'll show you the process of redoing it and we'll see how it turns out. So should we get started?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Get this one.
Oh.
Oh no, that's not the one I want.
Oh, okay, I'll take this one. All right, so this is it's an old drawer. It looks like from a sewing machine cabinet. We're going to make what are we gonna put it in here? Spring?
Herbs,
Yes, and then we're gonna put hooks on there after we paint it, and you'll be able to dry herbs from it. So, and maybe put a little bird nest in there.
Yeah, and hang it on the wall. Yeah.
Well, I'll do this one. It's a sign that needs to be redesigned.
Yeah, it is.
It needs a new whitewash and then a new
word on it. We're gonna do
perfectly imperfect. That would be me. I could wear it around my neck.
Oh boy. Okay, so we have a candelabra that hangs, and we thought it would be cute to put solar lights. So we bought these solar lights at the dollar store, and we'll take the bottom off and then set the solar lights. Do you think we should paint this?
I like the
Oh,
green.
I mean, I kind of like the
color.
green. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll distress it a little more and just leave it like that and glue the solar
I wonder
lights
what
in
those
there.
would look like painted too. But
Maybe.
it's kind of
It'd be kind of hard to
Might
do
be
it.
hard.
But
yeah.
unless we accented with that same kind of green on the top of it.
Yeah, we'll see.
Either way, the black looks nice too. So
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, so
developing
that's
story here.
that one. Julie?
Oh, my turn already?
You get the grapes.
Okay, what is this gonna be? We're gonna just update the color on this, I think, a little bit, because it's pretty cool already by itself. So, it's resin, I think, maybe? Or plastic?
Yeah, it's not real plaster,
Yeah. it's
but
plastic.
we do have paint, so it's called plaster paint in the color plaster, so I thought maybe
Yeah.
we
You're
could
gonna
make
use
it
that
look like
rub stuff
plaster.
too, right?
Yeah, the rub and buff.
Yeah, along with this piece as well.
Mm-hmm. That's a
Rub and buff.
cool French
Yeah, that's cool.
piece, but I don't know what happened to it.
Yeah.
Like something,
There was an attempt
There was
at
an
maybe
attempt.
some kind of a wash on there.
yeah.
It washed out.
Oh, you picked the cool one.
I told you this was the one I was digging for. In my sewing room, I would like this. See, it has a secret hidden compartment.
Not anymore. It's
not.
no longer a secret.
Oh dear. I messed up.
I told everyone.
There's no secret door in this. But we're gonna repaint it, and it just looks so cool the way it is, even with this color. So I don't know if I'll do the bottom or not, but
Yeah, I'm kind of into the dark wood color.
yeah, I just like it. But we'll make it look even prettier in my sewing room.
I don't know about that. So, by the way, when we're finished with a lot of this stuff will be on our website, beautifulsalvage.com. So if you want to shop for any of this fun upcycled stuff, you can visit our website. It's my turn. Okay, I'll get the Finial. This Finial, I like it. And I originally thought we could leave this dark wood, but it's cracked here, so I think we're gonna paint it and distress it. And it sits nicely up on a table, and I thought we could hang a sign for our new bakery and coffee shop. We could hang like a vertical sign that said bakery on one side and maybe coffee on the other.
Ooh, yes.
So, and I put this in here. This didn't come in the junk box, but it's just a random sign that I thought we could hang from there, and I'll paint it up for the vertical sign.
Perfect. All right, see. So, there's a door.
Oh, you lost your legs.
Oh, yep, lost it. Well, there's a little bit of repair to them, but look at how cute these little benches are. And we're gonna paint those up, glue them back together, and use them probably for displays, for scones or whatever in the coffee shop.
Or coffee cups. That would be
Coffee
cute.
cups, oh yeah. Very cute.
And last but least, oh, not least, you know, I just did that. We have a rosemary sign. That actually is a very pretty green. Of course, we kind of like that, but we're gonna paint it and put a different
Yeah, like
picture
a
or
stamp
something.
on there.
Mhm.
I'm not sure what stamp, but
And you can hang your whatever on it.
If
Hang
you
a
have
hat.
or whatever.
Hang a hat.
Your hat or your rosemary.
And then this trellis, which is kind of cool. And I like the green.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking I will cut this leg off since the other one is missing. And then I'll use it as a card holder. So we'll use little clothespins and clip vintage florals on there and cards and
Maybe some birds.
yeah. But yeah, so that's what we have today.
Yay!
Should we get
Fun
started?
stuff.
Yeah, let's get
Let's
started.
Excellent.
We got right to work. All together, these projects probably took us about 3 hours to complete. It was so much fun doing this challenge as it has been a while since we've gotten together to create. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you've been following us for a while, you know that we are in the process of renovating an old building that will become our new boutique and coffee shop in Crosby, Minnesota. I have been in the depths of planning for the new coffee shop, and it's been really hard to get into the workshop this past month. So I'm so thankful that we finally got a chance today. We started our projects by making sure everything was cleaned and sanded down. I'm loving having the wet wipes in my shop. They definitely come in handy. By the way, if you like our shirts, they are for sale on beautifulsalvage.com. My mom has the gift of drawing and painting, and she's actually the one who drew this caricature picture of Angie, Julie, and I. They're so fun. Thank you, Mom. As Angie was sanding down the cool shelf with the not-so-secret compartment, we found out that the little knobs were actually gold metal, so she sanded them down to expose the metal, which turned out really pretty. She painted all over the red on the top of the shelf. This is such a beautiful and elegant little piece. We will show you all of the finished pieces at the end, and of course, if you would like to shop for them, you can at beautifulsalvage.com. She also painted the outdated sign. All of the pieces that we did today needed more than one coat of paint. To help them dry faster, we used a heat gun in between the coats. We also sealed all of the pieces with a clear wax. To add words to the sign, we used tracing letters through graphite paper, one of our favorite methods of making signs. And to hang the sign, she attached 2 old hinges on each side and strung a piece of twine through them. Perfectly imperfect is one of our favorite sayings at Beautiful Salvage, so this sign is very fitting. I fixed the stool with a little wood glue and some pin nails so Julie could paint it. I also took off the hardware on the Finial. Julie did a lot of the painting for this challenge. She put several coats of the color Plaster by Waverly on the little stools, the Finial, along with the skeleton of a cash drawer. I think that's what it is. I'm not sure. If someone knows what this drawer thing is, let us know in the comments below. For this piece, she chose to leave the dark drawer front in its original color. We didn't get footage of putting the little eye hooks onto the drawer along with tying some faux flowers as herbs. She also added the word herbs to the middle section of the drawer. After the first coat of paint was dry, we did end up filling that crack in the finial with a wood filler. If you like inspiration for upcycling, please subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you join us. I cut the trellis leg off with a Sawzall and used little clothespins to attach some beautiful floral pictures and poems. This would make a really cute piece in a garden shed to clip seed packets to as well. I painted the decorative wall pieces and waxed them. After the wax was dry, I applied gold rub and buff to highlight the lines in the pieces. I distressed the finish on the finial and made a little sign with coffee on one side and bakery on the other. Angie put a dark wax on the sign so it would contrast to the finial. To finish off the little stools, we added some IOD transfers on the top for some extra cute little detail. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps promote our channel on YouTube. We are done for the day and we have lots of pretty things here.
We do.
Let's show them.
All right. Well, here we go. I'll start with this. Look how cute. How fun will that be hanging out there in your yard at night?
Yeah.
Little light for the fireflies. That'll be fun.
And then I have this, turned out beautiful. Julie had these vintage looking cards with flowers on them and then poems to go with them. The green just really looks nice together.
Love that.
It's like it was planned that way. Of course, this is naturally me. Perfectly. You're perfect.
I love that. That's cute.
It is. That turned out really cute. All
Put
right.
some little hinges on there, little twine.
The herb dryer. Just an example of some how you could hang your herbs on there. Maybe some nice lavender.
Cute.
Or
And
rosemary.
you could use that as a little shelf too.
Oh yes. That'd be cute.
You could put your potions on top of there, Julie.
Oh yes.
These two pieces got finished in the same way. So I got finished with the plaster paint and then I did the rub and buff gold on them. Very pretty. I like this one a lot. It's
got a lot of leaves.
Frenchy, yeah.
Yep. And then here's
The not so secret door. That's a really good, neat piece. And
It is.
if we wouldn't have done it for Junk Box Challenge, I probably would keep it myself.
Oh, and this turned out adorable. Look at how cute that is. It's perfect for Crosby shops with the bicycle there. Cute, cute, cute. Little hanger.
tables or stools.
Oh, they're
Aren't they
so
darling?
adorable.
I love them.
Cute.
And we have this finial for the bakery and for the coffee shop. And so that will sit by our baked goods. So that turned out cute. And oh, did we do this one?
Yep.
Okay.
We're done.
All right.
Yeah.
So that is
So many
what we
beautiful
have
things.
today.
Yes.
Yes, if you have a favorite thing that you liked that we did today, please put it in the comments below. We love to get your feedback. And please follow us. Follow our YouTube channel. We also are building a new boutique and coffee shop right now, so you can follow along with the journey. We'll probably do an update on that soon. And yeah, make sure you check out our website. It's beautifulsalvage.com and follow our Facebook page because that is where we keep you updated about the current things that we're doing. And we're gonna have some fun things ahead. Our grand opening, and then I'm thinking we'll do a live event soon. So follow us on Facebook, so we'll keep you updated about that. But thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye.